If you're keen for a bit more ladyboy action, you could head to Simon Cabaret.
I'm excited.
The hour-long extravaganza is the most popular ladyboy show in Asia. And Kevin and Janetta aren't expecting G-rated entertainment.
We thought it would probably be a bit sleazy, a bit grubby.
But also it will be the sort of thing that you've really got to do while you're here.
I was a bit unsure about going to the ladyboy show because I wasn't sure if they were going to flop it out. But...
I don't think it's that kind of a show, Victoria.
You are about to experience one of the greatest shows on earth.
Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. Shining bright like a diamond. We're beautiful like diamonds in the sky. Shine bright like a diamond.
We're not just talking about people that just whack a skirt on. Yeah. I mean, they've had the job, they've had work. It's convincing.
It's convincing.
So shine bright tonight. You and I.
It was slick, it was professional,
It was like a show from Vegas.
it was amazing.
Shine bright like a diamond.
I could be a lady boy just to have their figures. Their figures were fantastic. You forget that they weren't born female.
I'd love to have legs like that.
You got to let your body move to the music.
Look, I'm going to be honest, I was quite surprised how pretty some of them were. They were.
Wow.
I enjoyed most of it. I hate audience participation. Make it not me. Make it not me. Please make it not me. You don't want to be that bloke in the audience who gets picked up on stage for a ladyboy show.
I nearly died.
You nearly died?
I know.
I did die. I was lashed, bashed and pashed. I went along for the ride.
Literally.